Guys, it's Ms. Walters. I wanted to discuss the review week that we're going to have starting Monday. I need you all to understand that this review week is optional. Okay, these assignments and review materials is not mandatory. You do not have to do them, but if you choose to, okay. So remember that these materials, they are not mandatory, and you can do them if you choose to. Okay. So starting with ELA if you want to do the review materials. Okay, so what we've decided for ELA is that we're going to use the Canvas course, okay? Myself, including the other Randolph ELA teachers, we've decided that we're going to move forward with Canvas as our digital learning platform. You guys know how to use Canvas. We used it from the beginning of the year until December, so you guys are familiar with how to get there and how to access the app. So remember, it's through your Rapid Identity. You'll click on Canvas. It will take you to your dashboard. This is the 6th grade ELA Canvas course that all of us will be using in 6th grade ELA. Okay, you will click on it and see this. Okay, so things will be uploaded onto here for the review materials and things that are optional for you to do for this week. Miss Ward, Miss Scott, Miss Curtis, and myself will all be on this Canvas page. So links and directions for the review materials for this week will be posted here. Okay, I will put on my Google Sites how to access Canvas so that you can have a refresher. Okay, but the links and review materials will be posted onto the Canvas course. I have added you all to that Canvas course, so it should pop up on your dashboard whenever you access Canvas through your Rapid Identity. For social studies, okay, for our optional review materials for this week, I will be posting it onto Google Sites. So make sure that whenever you go to my Google Sites, go to the social studies subpage, I will post it here. For social studies, I have created a virtual learning calendar, and if you choose to complete these activities, they are all here of what you need to do for review. Okay, remember this is optional. These are not mandatory. Okay, I need you guys to understand that. Okay, none of this is mandatory. None of this will be graded. Okay, it is optional if you guys want to do these review materials. On Friday, the most exciting thing that I know you're going to love is we're going to have Zoom meetings. Okay, I have divided this between first and second block because I know having me against 65 of you will be insane. So what I've done is I have first block and second block. So I have them scheduled for first and second block to be on Friday, March 27th. So this coming Friday. And first block will be at 11 and second block will be at 1 o'clock. This is not mandatory. This is just for us to see each other virtually. I can have like an informal check-in with you and be able to see you. It is not mandatory. I understand if something happens and you're not able to join into the meeting, just shoot me an email. Let me know if there's anything that I can do on my end to help you. Okay, it is not mandatory. It is optional if you would like to join us for Zoom meetings. Okay, I am going to say this one more time. Virtual learning this week, starting Monday for the review week, is optional. This is optional review materials that you can do if you choose to. Okay, none of this is mandatory. I suggest doing it just to have a refresher for yourself. But again, this is optional, okay? Remember, you can print the virtual learning tracker for ELA if you choose to do the assignments, or you can make a copy of it so that you can follow along with the days. For social studies, everything is linked on there of what you need to do. Is familiar with the Google Slides that we do in class where you make a copy and then you will complete the materials. Okay, again, this is optional. Okay, not mandatory. And I know I've said that 10 times, but I really need you to understand that. So this is not mandatory. This is optional if you choose to. Okay. So it's kind of like a practice run for our virtual learning if you choose to do any of the review materials. Okay, all of that will be posted tomorrow. Nothing has been posted today. Remember, we start on the 23rd. I love you guys. I miss you guys. Um, Again, this is a very crazy time for us. Moving towards virtual learning, I'm learning things myself, especially with YouTube and, being able to do these like little tutorials and things like that. It's been a learning experience for me. Um, I appreciate all of you. Thank you for working with me and being patient. Thank you so much to parents. Okay, thank you for your support and reaching out to me. um, I will try to answer any questions if you have them, or I can forward them to the appropriate channels. I love you. I miss all of you. I wish we were in the classroom. It's been a challenge not seeing you guys every day. I really, really miss you guys. And you guys just coming up to my desk and talking to me, the little things, I miss the most, and us joking around and laughing in class. I really, really miss it. Try not to get all sentimental, but I really, really do miss you guys. And it has been challenging this last week. Um, so again, if you want to do the review materials, please do. Remember, it is not mandatory. Okay, I love you guys. I miss you so, so much. Okay, love you. Bye.